Hi everyone, this is Bijal Maru. So on behalf of Bliss Yoga and the Yog Vinyasa Institute, of course by Sir's guidelines and instructions, I'm just sharing you my experience of how I was helping my students and am helping my students during this lockdown period. So as soon as we got to know that the corona is spreading, and then soon we could see that a lockdown was about to happen, even before that, certain students, their families, of course, got insecure about them coming to class and everything. So all the students already had the fear that they wouldn't be able to continue class, which is very obvious, and we had to adhere to the rules of the government, of course, and the safety and security of everyone is the most important. So we decided that we would stop classes at the venue and we would definitely start taking online classes. So this was a good thing for me. It was in my mind from a very long time that I should go for online classes. Many clients, many friends abroad were telling me to start doing it, but I was just trying to delay it because frankly there was no time to do it. So during this lockdown, it was a good thing that I got the time, installed the Zoom app, started understanding how it goes, and certain students agreed to go for online classes. Certain students obviously couldn't. The biggest drawback happened is because we don't have helps coming. So many students, even if they want to follow your schedule, want to join the online batch, but they cannot do it because of different circumstances that they are all going through in their own houses. So number one, what I started doing is started taking online batches. I started with one batch. The response was good. Then slowly I started an evening batch. So a morning and an evening batch gave the students a setup to adjust according to their home schedule. So that was one thing that was taken care of. Now certain students could not join the online batches. So what did I help them with? I gave them certain schedules that they needed to do, certain easy pranayams, easy asanas, easy exercises which they could easily manage at home. Mudras that would help them to boost their energy, immune system. Along with that, I keep on giving them feedbacks, I keep asking for their feedbacks, I keep on giving them guidelines as in how Sir instructs us to do it. So of course, steam inhalations, hot water drinking, salt water gargling, sun bath, how much ever they can take even from their house window is okay. Having herbal teas and green teas, light dinners, early dinners, all that is very, very important. And it's very good that the students keep on giving feedbacks. In fact, most of the students in the online class also, they help their families also. Like when they come to class, it's just them. But when they're doing it online from home, it may be that their daughter can join them or their husband can join them. And even students whom I've given the schedules are doing the same thing. Probably they miss the group energy of the class, so they make the family do it together. All the men who were away from yoga, in fact most of my students, their husbands have started working out with them together. So that's a very good feedback. So going online was one thing, giving them guidelines is another thing, giving them schedules, patterns is another thing. Some students may follow, some may not follow, but as a teacher, it's your responsibility that you need to go on pushing them a bit. Don't force them because they are in their own clutter. But at least if you connect with them and they connect with you, if you keep on just, pushing them slowly, trying to do push them for giving their feedbacks, doing their homework, they will definitely feel that they need to do it. So on your group, you make sure that all the students start giving you feedbacks. Once they start doing that, seeing them, the others who are not doing it will also start doing it. So that is a very good idea. So till the lockdown continues, we have to go on that way as a teacher. It's our responsibility. Make small videos, show them the pranayams, give them patterns by drawing. You can even give them schedules to do. And of course, those who are online with you, you can take the class as you take your normal class. So it really helps the students a lot. In fact, all the guidelines that Sir gives us, we forward to students, they forward to their friends and families. So it's a chain, it's a circle. So as a teacher, it's our responsibility. We are into yoga and we all know that yoga is a very important thing to boost the immunity and help all become very strong and make their health very good so that they can fight all the viral infections, any viruses that are going around right now. So please keep patience, grow. You can use Facebook Live, Instagram Live, you can use whatever you are comfortable with. But definitely don't forget your duty as a teacher. keep motivating others, and first work on yourself. Only if you are strong, if you work on yourself, then it will show your confidence to help others. So on that note, this is how I have helped my students. This is my experience of it. Hope you like it. It will help you to deal with your students ahead. If you have not started, please start now. Thank you very much.